Next, we are going to start with Java programming language, and for that here we are using Eclipse software. So first of all, we have to create a project. Here I'm naming this project as lesson 1. Now we got our project here. In this project, we are going to create our class. So right click on this project, new, in this project we have to create our package. Right click, new, and this package. And here I'm giving it a name demo1. This is the name of package. Now in this package we can create as many class we want. So here I'm creating my first class, new, and this is our class, and here I'm naming it as 1. Now we have to keep this public on, we have to keep it ticked modifier. We'll see it later what does it mean. Then we want this statement public static void main string args in our program, so we have to tick it right. Okay, fine, finish. So this is our package name, that is demo1. This is our class, public class1. Public is an access specifier, which means that this class can be accessed from anywhere. This is our main function. Here it is public static void main string args. And here inside it, we are going to write our printing statement, that is system dot out dot println. Ln is for next line, so here we don't want it, and here we have to give our printing statement, that is hello world. Save it, build it, and then run it. So here we got our message. Now this public and static both are access specifier. We can interchange their position. For example, here I'm removing public from beginning, and here I'm pasting it after the static. Save it and build it. So we can see that there is no change. We can interchange their position, but we cannot put them after void or after main. Now this is string args. It means the type of argument your JVM need is of type string. So we have to put here string. Instead of string, if I put here integer, it is not going to work. It is going to give us error. So here we got error. So it should be string here only. Now this thing can be written in other way, like here I'm removing these square brackets, and instead of that I'm giving it here is 3 dots. Now these 3 dots means that this arg is an array. So save it, build it, and run it, we'll get answer. Now this is our printing statement, that is system.out.print or println. It can be anything. So what does it mean? It means the system class out object, and in that out object we have print or println method. We are using that method, and after that in simple bracket we have to give us our printing statement. So save it, again build it, and then run it.